The Advanced Object Detection System, or AOS from SICK, is a new integrated sensor system that eliminates collisions for all sizes and types of container cranes. The system combines SICK laser scanners and controllers with application knowledge and embedded sensor intelligence into the most robust outdoor collision avoidance system available today. Since the advent of containerization, cranes and container moves continue to increase every year. Unfortunately, productivity gains sometimes lead to accidents. While it is easy to calculate the productivity costs of an accident, there are hidden costs. Repair costs to the physical assets, like the crane and vessel, labor costs for the repair, and possible fines should also be included to calculate the true cost of a single crane collision. The number of components in an AOS system is application dependent. For example, using 2 laser scanners, an AOS system can eliminate crane-to-vessel collisions on a key crane. In another application, 4 laser scanners are mounted on the rubber tire gantry or RTG crane to eliminate crane to almost anything collisions in either pathway or crosswise travel. In this example, an RTG is moving in the container stack and the operator cannot see obstacles outside his line of sight. While the laser scanners also function based on a line of sight, they can be positioned to cover a wider field of view. Thousands of laser scanners have been installed in this same application around the world. What makes the AOS system unique? The FlexiSoft controller and laser scanners are configured together in such a way to ensure 3 things. Are the scanner's detection zones working properly? Has the wiring between the scanner and the controller been compromised? Is the controller working properly? In other words, the AOS system has complete diagnostic coverage of the hardware itself and the application. Other simple standalone sensors are prone to alarm prematurely due to poor weather conditions and are unable to provide system-level diagnostics like SICK's AOS system. If you would like more information about the Advanced Object Detection System, visit us at sickusa.com.